Now that we went over what you're going to learn in this course of Visualize Yourself to Wealth, now let's go over the goals. Goals, there's nothing more important than having goals in your life. And this is something that we're going to put a lot of detail and attention to. Number one, I want to guide you on your journey to success, to take you from where you are today to where you want to go. If you're watching this right now, I'm sure you're doing fine financially, and I'm sure you're doing fine mindset, I'm sure you're doing your fine attitude, I'm sure everything is fine already. Our job is to get you to that next level and guide you on your journey to success. Because right now, whatever you make right now, our job is to amplify it. If you have X amount of friends right now, our job is to amplify it. Whatever you are right now, our job is to take you and amplify that person. Not make you a different person, not change you, not do anything that you don't want to do. Our job though is to take you from where you are and amplify that person so you truly are the best you possible and guide you on this journey to success. Then give you a competitive edge. There's nothing wrong with having a competitive edge, because the truth is there's 7-8 billion people that exist on planet Earth. And I am not the only public speaker in the world, and you're not the only person that wants to do what you want to do. So we have this vision, ambition, desires, and goals that we want to become the best at whatever that particular field is in this industry, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You want to be the best at that. So, because there's so many people who are all competing to be the best, our job is to give you that little competitive edge to make you the best you, so you shine brighter than other people. So you shine brighter, so you are the best you. And it's not that necessarily we're competing against other people, because in life it's really just a competition within our own mind. And we're going to take you to that next level and give you that competitive edge. We're also going to teach you the secrets, the most successful influencers and entrepreneurs. The reason why this is so important is because when I was 19 years old, I never looked at it like this until my mentor broke it down for me, how I'm going to break it down for you today. Whatever you want to do right now with your life, whatever you want to do with your career, whatever your vision, ambition, desires, and goals are, whatever your passion is that you want to do with your life, here's the truth. 1, there's someone who is already doing it. 2, that person who's doing it is killing it, and that means a good thing. And that person already knows how to monetize it, that person already knows how to do it. Whatever you can imagine, if you're thinking of something as simple as, I want to get paid to play video games. A sentence that I couldn't even say 10 years ago, but because of the day and age we live in, you can make millions of dollars playing video games. You can make millions of dollars putting on makeup. You can make millions of dollars basically doing anything you can think of. There's someone who already does it and does it really, really well. And there's a formula to it. There's an algorithm to it. It's not that people who make money on the internet marketing, get lucky. There's just a way to do these things, right? If you want to be a really successful cook, if you want to build a really successful church, right? Find someone who's been cooking Thanksgiving dinner for 20 years and get testimonials from people who have eaten that Thanksgiving dinner and says, this is the best Thanksgiving dinner. Because if you have other people who are backing up this person's Thanksgiving dinner and they say it's amazing, and you do everything that they say to do when it comes to making a Thanksgiving dinner, you could probably expect you're going to make an amazing Thanksgiving dinner, right? There's just a way to do whatever you can imagine. There's just a way to do it, right? There's not one way to do it, but there's already a foundation of things that work and things that don't work. There's just a way to talk to girls. There's just a way to talk to guys. And as long as we understand how do you talk to girls and how do you talk to guys, what are the things that guys want to hear? What are the things that girls want to hear? What are the things that guys do not want to hear? What are the things that girls don't want to hear, right? And of course, there's always an exception to the rule, but for the majority of people, there's that same foundation of things that just work. And as long as we understand the things that just work and we apply those things and add a little sprinkle of you on there, it's going to be game over, because then it's going to be your style, right? You don't want to speak like Anthony Robbins. You don't want to speak like James Hsu. You want to speak like you. You don't want to be an exact replica of someone else. But look at all the people who are killing it. Look at all the people who are doing well at it. And let's follow what they're doing and add the sprinkle of ourselves on it. We're also going to go over empower you with a wealth of information to elevate your life and success. There's going to be so much information that you're going to hear. That's why I opened up with, and every course we do, we always open up with whatever the course is. Always have that pen and paper ready. Have your laptop out, have your iPhone out, have your notes app out, whatever you have to do, make sure that we're consistently and constantly taking notes, because there's going to be so much information that the information that you hear right now is gonna mean something different from you 30 days from today. And it's crazy because it's a video. What I'm saying is never gonna change because it's already recorded, right? But the amazing part about personal development, the amazing part about when it comes to information that's gonna grow you as a person, the amazing part about that is what it means today is gonna mean something different from a month today, 2 months, 3 months, 2 quarters from today, a year from today. As you review this course every single month, as you're growing yourself, as you're growing your business, the same information is always gonna mean something different. So again, my goals: guide you on your journey to success, give you a competitive edge, teach you the secrets the most successful influencers and entrepreneurs know so you can have it too, empower you with the wealth information to elevate your life and success. Hope you guys are ready.